Hey, what's up guys? I'm Soda Pop, this is a left pedal, and today we're going to take these old, worn out tan interior pieces and we're going to make them look fresh and brand new. Best part, we're going to do it for under $10. Now, I know people have some controversial opinions when it comes to using interior dye. I can tell you from my personal experience that I have had this Duplicolor Vinyl Fabric Dye in the Datsun for about 4 years now. Basically everything in the Datsun that's black was dyed black with this product, and it's always been super reliable. It's held up really well for me, so I really do trust it. I don't have anything against doing this. It's a lot cheaper than actually buying new parts. So for this project, all we're going to need is a bucket of water, acetone, some sort of rag, dish soap, paper towels, and our dye. You know, normally it's nice to have a beer when you're working on your car, but today I've got Starbucks Bright Sky Blend, like a real man. So first thing we're gonna do is put some dish soap into our water. And once you got your water all nice and soapy, we're gonna wipe down the interior panels. Now, if you've been following this build, you know that these parts came out of my parts car, and we have no idea how long they've been sitting. So they're pretty dirty. So you really want to scrub, especially if it's an old car. Get all the grease and Armor All, whatever may be stuck to it, off, or else the dye isn't going to stick. And once you feel you've appropriately washed a part, wipe it off with a paper towel. Make sure you didn't miss anything. That already looks way better. After you've cleaned and dried your interior panels, you're just going to want to wipe them down with an acetone covered paper towel. See how dirty that was? After that's dry, you're just going to want to shake up your interior dye really well, and we're going to start spraying. I usually go for 3 very light coats. It often helps to do each coat from a different angle, just because of the texture in the interior parts. You want to be sure you get all of it. I typically only do 1 coat on the back because nobody's ever going to see it and I don't want to waste dye. Now this stuff dries super quickly. It'll be completely dry to the touch in about 10 minutes. But I would wait, you know, at least a couple hours before handling it and actually putting it back in the car. However, look at how great this looks. I mean, for only $10, we turned those crappy tan panels into this. Now, while we're waiting for that to finish drying, we're going to put in a couple of the little parts that we got for the Datsun from the last episode. So first thing we've got are these little rubber trim pieces, and those are going to finish off the strut mounts. Yeah, that already looks a lot more finished. It just looks better. I also pulled the cowl vent from the other car to replace this one because it's not in the best condition. That's way better. Now this weather stripping has a big chunk missing from it. So we are going to replace it with the weather stripping from the parts cart. Not great by any means, but if it keeps rain out, I'm satisfied. So all there is to do now is just let those parts dry and put them back onto the car. I'm just gonna let them dry overnight so that I'm not putting my hands all over them before they're all cured. And yeah, as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Left Pedal for more cool car stuff, see the Datsun, all the cool stuff we do almost every week, and I will see y'all next time. Alright.